This is a Q6 Edge power chair made by Prime Mobility. This power chair was never used. It was delivered and it's been sitting in a house for about 2 years. It is in new condition, but it is a used chair in new condition. It was never used, 0 miles on it. The sticker is still on the joystick, the plastic cover, the tires are new. It's a basic power chair. The benefit of this Q6 Edge is the suspension, and also you've got 14-inch solid tires with aluminum rims. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got 4-pole motors. There's 4 brushes, 1, 2. These motors are very powerful. If you need to put this chair in neutral, you have a motor for each wheel. There's a motor on the opposite side. So to put it in neutral, you put the lever down and you're in neutral. Turn your power off. If you don't turn the power off, it's a lot easier now. See with the power off. Put the levers back up and you're back in gear. So if you had to roll it, you could use these levers. You have solid anchor points here and here. They're tied to the frame. So if you need to tie your chair to your lift or to your van, right here is where you would hook them up. The nice thing about this chair is that, I'm going to turn the power back on. The nice thing about this chair is that it's very low to the ground right now. Right now, the seat on this chair is probably from ground to top of the seat is 19.5 inches. So it's really low to the ground. It's a 16-inch by 18-inch seat. 16 by 18, so it's not a big seat. So this is probably a seat for a medium-sized person. The arms do move up. You have a safety belt. You have an adjustable seat. You can see the handle here. If I move the handle up, I can adjust the seat. You have the great suspension in front, as you can see right here and right here. This suspension is adjustable. By turning these rings, you can adjust the tension on these springs in the front, and you also have the same thing in the back. You have a flip-up foot plate for easy entrance or exit. This foot plate can be moved closer in, so the foot plate would be under the seat if you wanted to. Right now it's about 2 inches further out. If you need to change the batteries, the only thing you have to do to change the batteries is there's 2 levers here. Squeeze these levers in, and this front cover and the back and the foot plate will come out in one piece. And you have 2 batteries in there. They're 55 amp batteries, group 22, 55 amp batteries, which will give you about 15 miles on the battery charge, depending where you're using it. You can see that this is called a mid-wheel drive chair, so that your drive wheels are in the middle. So this chair will turn on its own length. So you can see, if I had a box here and a box in front, it would turn all day long in that circle right here. This is the back of your chair. You can see the suspension in the back also. You can see the owner's manual from the factory are right here in the back pouch. This is a cane holder. If you don't need this cane holder, we can take it off, no problem at all. It's an adjustable headrest. The joystick is on the right. It can be transferred to the left with no problem. This is a swing away joystick, so you can swing the joystick away from the front. So if you're looking for a power chair, it's got great suspension, high quality motors, a nice deluxe seat that's never been used, this will be a really nice one to look at. Oh, when you charge this chair, sorry about that. When you charge the chair, take your charger that comes with the chair, plug it in the bottom of your joystick, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. The charger will recognize when the batteries are full, it will stop charging. So if you're looking for a really nice, practically new power chair, this will be a really nice one. The noise you hear on the ground is the acorns. There's a lot of leaves and acorns on the ground, which makes a lot of noise. This chair is almost, you can't hear this chair when you drive it. Great suspension, like new condition, ready to go. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.